Hello there everybody, my name is DeWalnut, and today I'm here playing a new game called Red Trigger. Now, what prompted me to play this game was, from the previews that I saw, it looked a lot like Portal, and I really liked the Portal games. So, let's get into this. Wow. Wow. It runs like crap. Runs like crap. Are these like stairs? Okay. Oh. Okay. Combining stairs. That's plus. Look at the VR headset. What? Oh, what? It's like a... What? Oh, it's a gun. Pew. Oh my god, it runs slow. Oh! It is Portal. No, it's not Portal. It looks a lot like Portal, though. Can I, like... Oh, there's a thing down here. How do I charge it? Wait, whoa. Okay, that's weird. Okay. Yay! Oh my god, it's like an emancipation grid. It undoes all my problems. That's awesome. Why do I keep pressing control? Whoa. That's awesome. Does that mean I have to, like, do that for these? What happens... What happens if I get in between them? Will I die? No. Can I jump on these? Oh. Okay. So I shoot this one. I shoot this one. Apologies, guys, for how bad this runs, but I mean, I can't really help it. And then, woo! Get on it, yeah. Die in a hole. Oh my god, it runs so slow. Give me a minute, I want to see if I can fix how freaking slow it's running. Okay guys, I'm back, and I fixed it. I forgot to do that. It runs so much better now. Crap. Yeah. I could have just walked up here. God. Why do I keep getting control? Okay. Well then. No. The only problem I have is the music's a bit loud, but I don't want to turn it off because it's really nice. It's nice music, but I don't want to turn it off. Wait, what? Can I run now? How did I figure it out? Did I just, like, press something? I don't know. Yeah, Apparently I can run now. Is that like... Did I press something? I don't know what I pressed, so... Yes, I figured out how to crouch several times. Material Emancipation Grid, I don't care what you say it is. Okay. No! Stop it! Come here. Elongate. Do I need to, like, shoot at things? Elongate for me! Frick. Elongate for me. Gyration. Frackin' Pope. Give me that back. Give me that one. There we go. Got it. Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, I almost died there. It's like water. Okay. What can I... Okay. Give it back! Ooh, I probably needed those open. Oh, wait. Oh, I guess I just needed to do a... Wait, can I? Okay. Wait, what did I just see? Did things turn? Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay, well, at least I know what to do now. Okay. Okay, give me this. I'm gonna crouch just in case. Yeah! So, see guys, doesn't this kind of like remind you of Portal a bit? Do I need to like... What do I do with the blue ones? Like, I mean... Oh, are these like buttons? Ha! Oh my god. Oh, it just pushed me through. I can't die. Ooh. Wait, what is... What goes on here? Ooh, faint. Bruh. You really gonna do that? Shotgun. No, guys, I don't know how long this game is. It could be a couple levels. It could be 10 levels. This could go on forever. And yes, this is getting me in the mood of Portal games again. So thinking with Time Machine might come back. Oh, shift was the sprint. And look, see, buttons. Wait, what? I'm not sure what this does. Oh, this opens. Okay. Okay, and I die. Like me. Oh, yeah. Yeah, give your boy some praise. And more magical stairs. And magical stairs that lead to magical stairs. Nothing? Haha. It's like freaking the aerial faith plates. You know, like... Eh. Ow. Ow, like, it hit me in the face. Okay. Wait, definitely. Okay. Dang it, I wasn't high enough. Get this while I can. Grab that. I love how you need to actually get them back, and it's like you have a certain amount of energy for each level. Oh. I'm just booming. I'm just like getting through these levels, man. Oh, I just fell out of the world. Fudge. What? Oh, what? Oh, what? I don't get this. Well, I guess we've gotten to our first hard level. You know, Portal had those kind of levels, like... levels that were... like, you know, the first few levels, you know, they explain everything. Crap. What? What? How is this thing? Okay, I see. You don't need to be looking at them to shoot them. So you can go, bam, bam. Good. Got him. Oh, but I just got shot across. Okay, I see how this works. Okay, so what? The middle mouse button pushes up one you're standing on. You don't have to be looking at it to shoot it up. So you can look at the ones next to you, so you don't have to like shoot, which was what I was doing. No. Wow. Good thing there's not a death counter. Because that would suck. Oh, good. Okay. Now this game's actually pretty fun. And I'm hoping to maybe play through... Crap. You know, try and actually play through it, unlike, you know, other games, kind of like Portal. Frickin'... Just... Faith, guys. Give me your faith. Give me your giblets. Oh, I got it already. Why can't I get it again? Guys, give me your giblets. I need your giblets, specifically. Crap, Give me your freaking giblets, guys. Not enough giblets. What? Why? Why giblets? Freaking no. I'm gonna like time lapse this or something. Come on. Oh, yes! Oh, God. Let me leave. Oh my God, I did it. Oh my God, that took so long. I was like, oh my God, that was like 10 minutes. What the fuck?
Intrusion detected. Scanning.
it is like Portal. Am I gonna die? Should I be standing here? Should I be moving? I feel like I'm gonna die here, guys. Guys, help me. Frick. Okay, I cannot crouch.
Scanning.
Oh my god. Jeez, what is this supposed to go that high? Okay, turn back around, sir, please. Eh. And the music is awesome like Portal, so... What? Oh, okay, I see. Okay, I need to get rid of that. Okay, good. And then get on here, get spun around. Haha! That is... What? Oh, wait, what? So I guess that's supposed to be GLaDOS, or the equivalent of GLaDOS in this game. I think I'm gonna finish this room and then I'm gonna call it a day. And hopefully likes will be good. You know what not. I don't know what to do right now. Let me get back this. Yeah, I know I see the walls. Crap. Okay, I get what's going on. Okay, now, I do need to get up there. And that's easy like this. And then I open the... Okay, I see what's going on here. This opens, it stops there. Gotta crouch. Okay, stand on this. Go over. Reset. Restart. What's down here? You lied, Fred. Oh, it's not a lie. Okay. Whatever. Okay. Get down here. So this one seems like a more complicated level. Is one over here for that? No, I don't think so. Okay, so we gotta start from this side. Down into that. Bring this up. So I think I might have needed something for here. Okay. One there. One there. Stops both of them from closing. Then I go through here. This is like Portal 2.0 with a freaking shotgun. Let me get those back because I'm probably not going to need to go through. Okay. Get you back. I'm not going to need to go through that. Okay. I can get through here. What is that achieving? Okay. Duck just in case. And now I'm through. Now what? Did I mess up? Well, I'm confused. I don't get what to do now. Because I put these two up, stops that. Put this up, it stops that. Crap. Okay, well. Do I... Where am I? Oh, here still. Okay. Put this up. Opens that door. And opens that door. Oh, so... Okay. I need to open all of them. So where's my... Oh, it's over here. Okay. Okay, I need to keep all the doors open. Okay, I didn't know there was another door. Okay, so, you know, same thing. You know, close the door. Bring me up. I'm assuming... that after that I need to... do something else, maybe? After that I need to get something. I don't know, I'm rambling, guys. Don't listen too deeply into the stuff I'm saying. I'm literally just rambling. Give me that. Okay, last area that looks even more horrifying. Everything, there we go. Put that up, and put that up will give me a one-way ticket to getting through here. And then doing that does what? Haha! Okay. Yay! Okay, guys. Well, yeah, this seems like a good place to end it. So, guys, if you like this video, please crack that like button like you would on a Walnut Shell, and please subscribe. I would love a new addition to Team Walnut. If you like this and want more, please like it, like the video. Let's see if we can get to 5 likes. If we get to 5 likes, it'll be guaranteed I will make another one. I'll probably make another one anyways, but that's besides the point. If you really do like this, please do like. Really do appreciate it. Subscribing as well. So, I hope you enjoy. I will see you guys in the next video of whatever I make, whether it be this or Minecraft, probably, or Thinking with Time Machines, maybe. See you in the next video. Goodbye. So today I am alone, sadly, because, well, actually, you might be able to